Good to hear. It's good to be here. I think we're going to win this time. We're going to chase those Nazis out of here, and then we're going to go out to those Japs.
I want you to be sure that the Führer sees this. I'm coming after you. We're going to clean up. We're going to clean up Berlin, and we're coming for you, Hitler.
Hitler knows he must break us in this island or accept defeat. We shall see.
Hitler can't fear fear. He's the only one that can. He and his monsters behind him.
That's all.
So you folks down there on the far end of the rope line, you are seeing the Big Three in a Jeep coming this way. Premier Joseph Stalin, Winston Churchill, and the 32nd President of the United States, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, all capably being driven by Tom Stark, museum volunteer. Stalin means steel, by the way.
Hello, everyone.
This is Armed Forces Radio Network. We'll be speaking to the Big Three who have just left Yalta for a conversation about the future of post-war. Prime Minister Churchill and Marshal Stalin, how do you envision post-war Europe after the defeat of the Nazis?
Well, I think we've laid the groundwork for a peacekeeping organization we're going to call the United Nations. I think it's going to prevent us from what's happened this last half century with the First World War, now this terrible war. And we're going to meet again in the fall in San Francisco, and I think it's going to be a much better world because of the cooperation of all three of us.
Prime Minister Churchill, you have expressed concerns about the intentions of the Soviet Marshal Stalin. Can you share it with our audience?
We must preserve democracy on the globe, whatever the cost may be. Marshal Stalin, with all respect to his 12 million troops, should respect that as well.
Thank you, sir. Marshal Stalin, you're on the gates of Berlin. How do you envision post-war Europe?
We have fought a very tough war, given many sacrifices of Russian blood. We shall, I say, put to good use these lands that we have reconquered and claim to be under our control. We do this because of the ultimate price we have paid. You see, we will put these lands to good use.
And there you have it, three different visions from the Allies who are confronting Nazi Germany in the closing days of World War II. We return you now to Kevin Carroll.
Thank you, Mr. Lewin. Thank you, Stalin, FDR, Prime Minister Churchill.
Do me a favor? Take a photo. I gotta send this to somebody. Thank you.